Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and we're here at Palmdale Lodge, number 769 in Palmdale, California, IA. That's right here. It's a little breezy today, but this is the outside of their building. Come along with us. I'm going to give you a tour of the inside of this, take a look around, maybe show you some things that you have or haven't seen in a Masonic Lodge. Maybe do some contrasting comparison to other lodges. Hey, if you want to get these videos early, just go ahead and join the channel, and we will do that for a whole $3. We'll get these videos early because this one's going to be maybe a week and a half old. Come along with us because you just entered the Coolest Life Masonic Edition. As you first enter, there's a nice reception room here. Well, I like it. It's got the past masters there. It's like their coat and tie, like black tie. And they got a area here. They actually have a marketplace here once a month. They sell tables and nice room, huh? But you can rent this one out. Definitely look like it's set up for a wedding. Nice. Let's go into the lodge room. All right, so let's go ahead and go into the lodge room. You can see 400 capacity. Must be a big place. Oh, it is. I appreciate Past Master Jeff. He's their current assistant secretary. He's given me let me have access to this beautiful room that they have here. It is nice. Let's see what they have here. Oh, check out the color, baby blue. Interesting. I don't know if I've seen baby blue staffs. Most of them are brown, black. I see gold. Interesting. How about that one? Normally this moon is on this side that I see, but this one's actually small, and half the time it actually covers up almost the entire piece. I don't think I've seen one like that before. All these chairs are in great condition. They got a full set here. This, of course, where their junior deacon would sit. Look at that one. That's a big girthy. Kind of intimidated. Check this out. A piece of leather here on a piece of wood for their setting mall. I like it. A lot of these I see that are beveled a little bit. Who's that cat there? George Washington, Master Alexander Washington, Lodge number 22. He was nice enough. They don't have lodge today, but they were nice enough to meet me here. And Jeff set out all the regalia for me, so you could actually get the picture of what it would look like set up. Good looking column, sitting on casters. Celestial globe. Nice touch. Someone's a boat person. Maybe there's a reason they have that. This is a good size. This is typically the common size that I see with all the ornateness, Corinthian ornateness that you see up here. Lots of seating, 3 rows back. These are definitely theater seatings. These are not pews. My suggestion for this lodge is always, hey, lodges like, hey, why don't you put something on the wall here? A picture or something. I don't know. Just empty space is always nice. I got that set up there. They do not have an Eastern Star chapter here. They do have a rainbow chapter here for the girls. Another of the blue here. He's got a nice big sun in the middle of his. Nice. Here's where they're in this lodge. This is where their treasurer would sit, which is why he's got the keys. And this is where the master sits. You can tell his chair is the largest one in the room. There's actually a second one down there. That's in case they have another guest that would come in. If a Grand Master came in to visit, they would have a chair for him. Also, they'd bring it up next to this chair here. Kind of reminds me of the ones that they have in out east. Let me see. He doesn't have a gavel out here, but that's fine. This is actually a container that contains their charter. They typically do that here in California, because the thing is, you can't have a lodge meeting without a charter displayed. In this case, it's displayed within the container. Anybody can come up here and open that up if they wanted to. Love that pointed up, just like his jewelry there. And this is where their marshal would sit. Check this out. They did an adaptation of this. Isn't that neat? So that's a regular chair, but if the marshal's going to sit there, he's got a holder for his baton. Isn't that unusual? I've never seen one of those. You get your point within a circle. This one's actually made of wood, and this is three-dimensional here. So you can see that kind of sticks out there. I like that. It's not just painted, it's actually three-dimensional. Point within a circle. See that a lot in Arizona lodges, Florida lodges, Wisconsin, I believe it does the point within a circle also. It's supposed to be there for all well-governed lodges. Oh, and you can see the ornateness up here above the senior warden's area. He's got the sun. I want to show you the rising sun, which is right up here. And the nice G, he was nice enough to light that up for me. And the columns. The Doric, Ionic, more plainer and simpler. So I got the junior warden station here. And they are at refreshment, which is why this is up. I'm just saying. Some jurisdictions, they lie that down, even when they're at refreshment. This was the same thing, but this is actually a triangular shape. Let's see if it's perfectly square. Yep, that's probably a perfect right angle. It says Palmdale. It's got another setting mall there. That's awesome. Like his sun at High Meridian. And I like the old school sconces up here. I say old school. This building is definitely not that old. I don't know exactly how old is he. May put it up here in the captions somewhere. Jeff may tell me. But I want to show you their lights. They got to plug in down center. It looks like they put them all on at the same time. Nice. They turn them all on at the same time. Got the Formica top. I don't think they've got any other Formica in here. Doesn't look like it. Maybe that was definitely not Formica. That one there might be. I don't know. So nice older looking Bible here. It's got beveled areas in here that are really nice. It's definitely got some age on it. I love these older Bibles. I'll be real gentle. I just want to see those first few pages. Introductory history of the Holy Bible. There's Genesis there. It looks like this is a straight up. A lot of times you see the building of King Solomon's temple here in the first few pages. It doesn't look like that's there at that one. But it is Masonic Bible. I really like that. Let me put this back like I found it. It's beautiful hardcover. I like those. Those are neat. Beautiful room. So if you're ever out traveling and you want to come visit a lodge, come on down to this lodge. This is just north of Los Angeles, about maybe 25 miles out of town, something like that. Beautiful setting as far as outside. You're in the middle of a lot of the mountains and stuff. It's a really nice drive. Once you get out of town, it's a nice drive. Once you get past Santa Clarita, come on up this way to Palmdale Lodge. I'm sure they'll welcome you like they did me. If they're having a meeting, they'll let you come on in and sit, and as long as you're in an approved lodge and got a good dues card, and make sure that happens. But I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe. And as I said before, go ahead and join the channel. You can get these videos a whole lot earlier than you're probably watching this one. But we'll see you on down the road, because I need to get back out here living the coolest life, Masonic edition.